Hi, I'm Nick Wagner, President of Premise LED. Today we're going to talk to you about an exciting new product we've got for the residential market. This is our brand new flush mount with integrated motion control sensor. As you can see, it's a stylish 16-inch fixture. It comes in both a 15 and 23 watt model to cover both 2 and 3 lamp equivalents. So it fits in most environments. The lens is a spin-off lens which allows for easy access and quicker installation. As we get inside the fixture, you're going to see an LED array. These are Philips LumiLED chips, so very high quality. Each of the chips is individually covered with a lens. This does a couple things for us. It gives us a nice even spread of the light. It also protects the chip from buildup of dust over many years. As we take a closer look, you're going to see our integrated LED driver and sensor. Now, this is really the heart of the fixture. This is what makes it so special. This utilizes microwave technology to detect whether or not someone is in the space or not. Now, of course, these are mostly in hallways, so there were some interesting challenges with making it work properly. It wasn't good enough to just have somebody walk under the fixture and have the light turn on. We needed to be able to see down the hallway and turn it on 1 or 2 fixtures ahead of the person entering the space. That's why this unique design here on the emitter is so important. We can now reach as far as 30 feet down the hall in order to pick up someone coming towards the fixture. You'll also see here these dip switches, which allow you to go in and change the performance of the fixture. You can increase or decrease the sensitivity. You can change how long the light stays on after its last detection. You can even control how far it dims down, going as low as 20%. We offer this fixture in 2 different wattages, a 15 watt and a 23 watt. These are designed to match up against your typical 2 lamp or 3 lamp fixtures that most of your customers are currently using. The idea here is that you're going to give them at least the same or better light levels, significant energy savings. Let's face it, 80 to 90% of the time, there's no one in the hallway. And the most energy efficient fixture out there is one that's either turned down or turned off. Another thing to keep in mind is that there are a lot of cheap fixtures out there that are designed for simple household use. Typically designed to be on for 3 or 4 hours a day. But when you get into apartments, condominiums, hotels, or even dormitories, you're looking at 24/7 operation. That's why we've come up with a commercial design here. This fixture is covered by our fantastic 10-year warranty. If it fails within 10 years, we will repair it, replace it, or refund the current value of the fixture. So there you go. That's our brand new flush mount fixture with motion control sensors. If you're interested in more information about this, give us a shout here at Premise LED or give your local rep a call. Thanks again for watching.